Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. News Levels Mathematics D1 Chapter number 11 Triangle, Quadrilateral and Polygon. Exercise 11A Question number 4. In question number 4, given that DAB is a straight line, find the value of unknown in each of the following figures or A, B, C. Now we will solve first part. Given that DAB is a straight line, find the value of unknown in each of the following figures. First, we draw the first diagram. In this diagram, A, B, C, D are the 4 points. Here A, B, C is a triangle and D, A, B is a straight line. Given that the angle B is 47 degree, angle C is 55 degree, and we can find unknown angle A. We know that the sum of the angles of the triangle is 180. Let us suppose that the unknown angle is 80 degree. We have angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. From the definition of triangle, the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now putting the value, then A plus 47 degree plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. Adding 47 plus 55 is equal to 102. Angle A plus 102 is equal to 180 degree. Then angle A is equal to 180 minus 102. Then we can find the angle A. The value of angle A is equal to 78 degree. Now we can find that the unknown angle A. The angle of straight line is also 180 degree. Then we have written in the form A degree is equal to 180 minus 78. Then A degree is equal to 108. First method is easy but other method is also easy. We can see that another method to solve this question. First of all, we know that sum of two interior angles is equal to exterior angle. Then we can write that A degree is equal to 47 plus 55. Here in this diagram we can see that A degree is equal to 55 plus 47. Then A degree is equal to 102 degree. Now we will move next part. In next part we can see the diagram. Here two right angle triangle. First right triangle and other right triangle. So we can write that here in this diagram one right angle and see another right angle. Now the remaining angle is 50 degree. Similarly unknown angle is 3 degree. And in other triangle one angle is 35 degree and other remaining angle is 3 degree. Here unknown angle is D and 3 degrees. First of all, we see the definition. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Let us suppose that the third or unknown angles are B degree and C degree. So we can have first triangle in triangle ABC. This triangle is a triangle of ABC. One angle is 90 degree, other angle is 35 degree and third angle is C degree. So we can write that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Putting the value 90 degree plus C degree plus 35 degree is equal to 180 degree. Adding 95 plus 30, 90 plus 35, then it will be equal to 125 plus C degree is equal to 180. B degree is equal to 180 minus 125. C degree is equal to 55 degree. Now we can find an other unknown value B. Take an other triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, the angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Angle A is 90 degree, D is 50 degree and C is B degree. Then we can write that 90 plus B plus 50 is equal to 180. So the value is 90 plus 50 is 140 plus B is equal to 180. B degree is equal to 180 minus 140. B degree is equal to 40 degree. Next, last part of this question, we can see first diagram. In this diagram, ABC is a triangle and DAB is a straight line. External angle is given 110 and angle A is unknown angle B is given that and angle C is also given. So the value of angle B is 3A degree and angle C is 2E degree. We have the sum of the angles of triangle is 180. Let us suppose that the unknown angle is E degree. We have A degree is equal to CAD is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. Here we can find this angle. Arrow sign denotes the angle A. This angle is angle A. We can write that A degree is equal to straight line angle 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. Now we can find the other value from the definition of triangle. Sum of triangle is equal to 180 degree. A degree plus B degree plus C degree is equal to 180 degree. Putting the values 70 degree plus 2E degree plus 3E degree is equal to 180. 2E plus 3E is equal to 5 degree. So we can write that 70 degree plus 5 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then we can write that 5 degree is equal to 180 minus 70 degree. That is equal to 5E degree is equal to 110. Then E degree is equal to 110 divided by 5. E degree is equal to 22 degree. So the value of unknown angle E is equal to 22 degree. Now we can solve by another method. Sum of two interior angle is equal to exterior angle. By this definition, 2E degree plus 3E degree is equal to 110. 2E degree and 3E degree is equal to 110. So 5E degree is equal to 110. Then 5 is divided by or 5 is subtracted from 180. Then A degree is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. Thank you. For next question in next video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.